Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find your games in Google Play Store on Realme 9 Pro Plus. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store and actually try to find the games. So we're gonna go with two different games. It's a Call of Duty, which is not visible in the list, and it should be. There's also Diablo Immortal, which I'm not sure that this phone actually supports, but it's also not available here. We're gonna check it later. Now, to fix this problem, we need to go to our settings and then enter family, go for parental controls, and now either disable them entirely or go for apps and games and enter your PIN code, increase PG to at least 16 or 18, and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back, you can look for your game again, and it's actually right here. We can install it. There's also Call of Duty. Right here we can install it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.